In a small doll town, there lives a doll named Charlie. Every day, from dawn till dusk, he works at the town's tiny gas station.
Lovely evening, isn't it?
And he meets the same dolls and talks about the same doll things every day. But deep inside, Charlie has dreams. Many times, Charlie has tried to leave Doll Town to explore the world beyond. But somehow, every time, he ends up right back where he started. One time, he even left by sea, determined to leave Doll Town once and for all. But then a storm began to rise, and the sky darkened. And when the storm finally settled, he found himself drifting quietly back into the harbor, as if he had never left at all.
Who are you? Are you me?
Yes, I am you. And did you know? You can leave any time you want.
But I've tried so many times. I just keep coming back here.
You just have to look at things differently.
Could it be that simple?
Stop pretending, Charlie.